टोरंटो में कॉन्सुलेट जर्नल ऑफ इंडिया की ओर से 12वें इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ योगा का भव्य आयोजन किया गया। ये कार्यक्रम ओंटारियो की ऐतिहासिक लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली के सामने स्थित क्वींस पार्क में आयोजित हुआ, जहां सरकारी प्रतिनिधियों, डिप्लोमेट्स, योगा एक्सपर्ट्स, वेलनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, कम्युनिटी लीडर्स और बड़ी संख्या में स्थानीय लोगों ने हिस्सा लिया।
First of all, I really want to thank Modi ji who has done this 21st June as the International Yoga Day. The whole world is celebrating. हम लोग आज we are here today in Toronto and we are so happy. Such a big crowd in Toronto participating in yoga. Yoga has really given us a good strength of mind and body. And आज इधर इतना क्राउड देख के बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि योगा के लिए जागृति पूरा वर्ल्ड में आ रही है and we are so happy. Thank you.
Hi everyone, Namaste from Toronto. Happy International Yoga Day to everybody. I'm here to represent Sahaj Yoga Meditation. We all associate the word yoga with physical exercises, but the true meaning of the word yoga is union. At that union is the union of our energy with the energy of God, which is all around us. Through Sahaj Yoga Meditation, we talk about how our inner energy called Kundalini can be awakened, and when it rises through our 7 energy centers, the true yoga happens of our energy with the energy of God. So I would encourage everybody to make yoga the part of their life, be it physical or meditation meditation through meditation. So I hope more and more people come to such events in the future as well, and more people adopt yoga as part of their lives. Thank you.
इस मौके पर कौंसल जनरल महावीर सिंह ने कहा कि योग सिर्फ एक एक्सरसाइज नहीं है, बल्कि लोगों को जोड़ने वाली एक ऐसी परंपरा है जो भाषा, संस्कृति और देशों की सीमाओं से परे जाकर स्वास्थ्य और संतुलित जीवन का संदेश देती है। उन्होंने योग को शारीरिक और मानसिक स्वास्थ्य के साथ साथ आंतरिक शांति का भी प्रभावी माध्यम बताया।
So we are celebrating this 12th edition of the Yoga Day this year at the beautiful Queen's Park location in Toronto. We do it every year. I'm very happy to see the large turnout of the people this year. I think that shows the enthusiasm of the people towards the Yoga Day. Yoga is not only asanas or the physical postures, it is ultimately the union of mind and body, and that leads to well-being of the people. And I think that message is now spreading all across the world, which is ultimately going to help people benefit their health. And as you know that yoga, which originated in India, is now being adopted all over the world, and that is something I think is the message for the world. We always say that sarve bhavantu sukhinam, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pasyantu ma kaschid dukh bhag bhavet. तो सभी लोग सुखी रहें, सभी लोग खुश रहें, सभी निरोगी रहें, यही मैसेज हम योगा डे के थ्रू देना चाहते हैं. So my best wishes to all who have gathered here today for the celebrating this 14th edition of the yoga day.
आपको बता दें कि इस साल इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ योगा की थीम योगा फॉर हेल्थ एजिंग रही। इसी थीम के तहत आयोजित सामूहिक योग सत्र में सैकड़ों प्रतिभागियों ने उत्साह के साथ योगासन और प्राणायाम किए। पूरे आयोजन में एकता, सकारात्मक ऊर्जा और सामुदायिक भागीदारी की शानदार झलक देखने को मिली।
I'm here at International Yoga Day celebration in Toronto. So it's organized by Indian Consulate, and it was a great experience. And I think everybody, I encourage everyone who hasn't been here to come here and experience it by themselves. I'm here representing Sahaj Yoga, and it was founded by Shrimati Ji Nirmala Devi. It talks about inner peace and different energy centers in our body, and whosoever is interested here in Canada or maybe anywhere around the world, I encourage them to try it, and I'm sure it has brought peace to so many people's lives, and it'll do same to you as well. So yeah, I hope we see you next year.
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं अरुण कपूर। आज ये आज तक के प्लेटफॉर्म पे मैं सबसे आज योगा दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में सबसे मैं यही आज कहना चाहूँगा कि योगा है तो सब कुछ है। अगर आपने अपनी सेहत का ध्यान रखना है, अपने आप को, अपने ऑर्गन्स ठीक रखने हैं, अपने स्माइल ठीक रखनी है, पॉजिटिव रहना है ज़िंदगी में, तो आपको एटलीस्ट अपनी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में आपको 1 घंटा, एटलीस्ट 1 आवर, स्पेयर 1 आवर, 1 घंटा आपको देना है। ये मेरी सबसे यही मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है। एंड थैंक यू एवरीवन, इट्स गुड, थैंक यू।
कार्यक्रम में करीब 800 लोगों की मौजूदगी ने एक बार फिर साबित कर दिया कि योग की लोकप्रियता दुनिया भर में लगातार बढ़ रही है और भारत की ये प्राचीन परंपरा अब वैश्विक स्तर पर लोगों की जीवन शैली का अहम हिस्सा बन चुकी है। आयोजकों ने इस आयोजन को सफल बनाने में सहयोग देने वाले योग और वेलनेस संगठनों के प्रति आभार व्यक्त करते हुए कहा कि उनके प्रयासों से योग का संदेश अलग-अलग समुदायों, पीढ़ियों और क्षेत्रों तक प्रभावी ढंग से पहुंच पाया है।
Hi, my name is Hitesh Sharma and I'm the proud member of Indo-Canadian Chamber of Commerce and I'm the president of Global Association called IFKT. And this is an amazing day here today. I see a lot of excitement and a lot of people are here for the yoga event here, which is initiated by Mr. Modi in India and now expanded to the global level. And people are very excited to learn how to self-healing your problems and by learning yoga techniques. And this is a very good initiative by the consulate office in Toronto, and I especially thanks to Mahavir, Mr. Mahavir, and to organize this event very well. And we all love you, and we are excited to learn so many stuff about yoga. Thank you very much. Yoga is one kind of technique that I think everybody has to learn, and it is like a self-healing technology. How to keep your body health, and health is wealth. So if your health is good, then everything else is good. So it will also reduce the pressure on the health services in Canada as well. So I believe everyone should take some initiative. And I'm also attending first time this global event. And I do yoga in the gymnasium most of the time. But this helps me a lot to understand more people's and more techniques. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Prashant Shrivastava. I'm the president of Indo-Canada Chamber of Commerce. And today we are here celebrating the 12th International Day of Yoga. And again, as I have said earlier, yoga unites us. Yoga unites the whole international community. Health and wellness has become so important that this is India's soft power has reached out of India and beyond the geographical boundaries. It is evident here today with all the communities, all different countries are here to celebrate the International Day of Yoga. I wish everyone who has gathered here on behalf of Indo-Canada Chamber of Commerce a very happy International Yoga Day. Thank you.